Welcome to SlimthickCurls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey sunshines, welcome back to SlimthickCurls. Right now we are looking at my daughter's room. We are going to be doing a total room makeover for her. And in a moment you'll see my closet. I'm saying my closet even though my husband and I share a bedroom. It is just my closet and I desperately need a closet makeover. And you will understand why in a moment. But we are getting ready to maximize our space and improve the functionality of both of our closets, my daughter and mine. Look at this closet, just. It's so small and so jam-packed. But we are getting ready. We got our construction crew here that's getting ready to start on the construction so that we can get through this major transformation that I'm so excited about.
She likes to keep it spicy with the tongue, better show some R-E-S-P-E-C-T. And don't forget the T-L-C. She got what you want, she got what you need. Anything you want done, she does it naturally. Check a car when he Houston, every woman singing, it's all in me. She's hot, red hot, sweet like a summertime. Shining like gold, cause the money always green. Blue skies, purple rain, colors make you wanna say, rainbow woman, yeah.
This part had me super excited because I could see light at the end of the tunnel. I can see my full closet is coming together. I know it's dust construction, but y'all, if you saw, everything was crammed into my closet. And I'm also using my husband's closet. I had stuff in my daughter's closet. I had stuff in the garage, stuff in the basement. I desperately needed to improve my space. Now, no, I'm not getting a walk-in closet. That's not necessary. And plus, we don't have the size for all of that. We don't live in a big house by any means, but it is a good size house. So we had to work with the square footage that we had, and we are truly about to maximize our space.
Down on your knees, but she loose, she lifted, she classy and a little bit twisted. She's freaked the Mona Lisa, a work of art in another size.
We even had to get some electrical work done, so they had to move this plug over to the other side of my daughter's room just to make sure that she still was able to use it, but we didn't want it behind the closet. The room makeover for our daughter Monet was a surprise because she didn't have any clue as to what her room was going to look like, but I love that she jumped right in and was helping her dad put together the cabinets for her room. She is just the best helper ever. And I learned that my baby got some muscles because she was able to lift some of this stuff up and I was completely shocked.
Let me see your muscle. Boom! Oh man, you tore all your sleeves off your shirt popping those muscles. You're amazing.
I can tear them off with my muscles.
Can someone tell me why? Every time I fall in love, it seems to be at the wrong time. You walked into my life, and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up, and there she was. Your arms all cute and stuff.
Now that Monet and Corey are all finished putting the cabinets together, it is time to put them into Monet's room. Our daughter's room took a little bit longer to get together than we anticipated originally, but it was all worth it because there was additional work that we didn't anticipate. Like here, you see that they're having to move where her heat is going to flow out, and that's going to be important because unfortunately our daughter's room was the coldest room in the home, but once they did this, the heat was flowing properly. And the reason we had to do that is because of how we have everything laid out for our design. Now here you're looking at the old flooring that they pulled up and the new flooring that we will eventually one day, not today, put down. So just wanted to show you guys the difference between the thickness between the two of them. Also, I forgot to mention that that new flooring option that we were looking at is not just for these 2 bedrooms. It would go throughout the entire main floor upstairs. Since we were expanding my closet, I wanted to take full advantage and add lighting to my closet. I am obsessed with lighting. Right now, I am literally adding lights all around my house in places that most people are like, is that necessary? Is it necessary? No. Do I want it? Yes. So it definitely makes a difference in my closet. So I'm so happy that we called our electrician out and had him add these lights for me. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, my electrician may look familiar because we did have him do all the lights upstairs, and he's also a contractor, so he actually renovated our basement for us as well.
Check.
Oh, is that?
You said how many inches that way?
4. She said it was okay, 4 inches. In case she was wondering if it was okay or not.
Oh, you gonna be moving that tonight?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just wishing you were mine. Can't keep holding on to these feelings inside.
It's only been a few months since we originally had our electrician come out and install our lights fixture, but now we have to have him take it down and move it over because with us enlarging the closet, the room is actually going to be a tad bit smaller. The room is going to be smaller because I wanted the length and the width of the closet to be bigger. And also we had to end up squaring off our door. So I don't know if you saw it earlier in the video, this hallway here, it was at an angle and you'll see it looks like half a wall. And I'm so happy once we ended up squaring off the door to our bedroom, it actually enlarged the hallway at the end. My husband Corey finished putting together all the cabinet frames for my closet, and now they are trying to figure out how to get it into my closet. So at this point, I'm like, oh man, did I select the wrong height? Because in my daughter's room, I did the 79 inch, but for my closet, I did the 93 inch. Now, if I thought about this ahead of time, I would have did 93 for both of ours, but by the time I figured it out, they had already started the framework for her closet and it was too late. But now I'm like, I could have sworn I measured everything. What is the problem? Why are they acting like they can't get this into my closet? I have a vision for this closet, so I really need this to work. But we shall see if it works or not. Okay, at least I feel better that it fits.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna be interesting putting this together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what's gonna have to happen. You're gonna have to put the unit together, stood up, standing up in the closet. So
Well, can I put it together here and then we can kind of kick it up like this? If I put it together on the floor here, can we just kick it up because this ceiling height is higher?
no, this is all the same height.
This is where you're hitting at. Because when you got 90, it's 93 inches is the cabinet, so the cabinet was like right there. So when you take that square and you turn that square sideways, you raise it up like another 4 inches.
Okay.
And so we hit all every ceiling that we could hit. We should have, you know what? We had an electrician in here, we should have had him cut this hole so we could see. Cut that big hole in the ceiling right here. You're trying to figure out how to get it up in here. You forgot about this doorway. You can't get it through the door. You see how that one flat panel, how we had to tip it up?
Yeah.
With it being like this,
Yeah.
you don't have to maneuver.
Popping the screen.
Sit it right through the window.
Right. I done moved a lot of furniture in through a window, bro.
Yeah. Hey,
Okay.
you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Is it gonna make it through the window?
Yeah.
Because you still gotta stand it up though.
Right, you still gotta stand it up.
But once we get it in here, you got openings up in there, but you have it'll be
enough.
Yeah, but
because
that
you
leaves
got the lights and stuff in there.
there leaves no room for us to put the drywall in. So the thing we need to do right now is finish these cabinets. Put the insulation in, put the drywall in, and yeah.
It's gonna be okay, Corey.
Wow. Wow. No, don't talk to me, man. Don't call my name.
You said boo.
So we have good news and bad news. The good news is Corey's idea worked. He was able to get it into our closet, or my closet I should say, just like he stated. But the bad news is, as you can see, he had to take apart all of the cabinets before he could figure out that his plan actually worked. So he ended up having to put the cabinets together twice, but really didn't need to because his idea worked.
They always buy flowers, always show up on time.
My family and friends know that I like to design and supervise and design, but actual labor behind my design, no, I'm not the one really to be building stuff. But I said, let me get myself together for my baby, because this is going in my baby's room, and plus we can't have her outdo me. You saw her at the beginning of the video putting together everything with her daddy, so I need to be able to put something together. So right now my husband is just showing me how to put this together, because I've never put anything together from IKEA, and that is where we got this from. So by the end, I was actually proud of myself. I was actually able to do it. I put together my first IKEA thing.
I know when he comes, he'll be the one. I'm proud to say that's my baby. So until then, they make me smile with those sweet, sweet lines. And I play along, though I've heard them a million times. So when they hold me, I know I'm not the only. It feels good, but not right. I won't lie.
We were originally going to have this custom built, but to speed the process up, I just ended up trying to find a unique piece, which I was able to find at IKEA that wasn't super expensive. So we just went with this, but you'll notice that they're measuring. And the reason they're measuring is because it is off literally by just a smidge. So simple fix, he's just coming in, taking down some of the drywall, and he will be able to get it to fit like a glove in a moment.
I know when he comes, he'll be the one. I'm proud to say that's my baby. So until then, I want butterflies.
Boom, it's in there fitting perfectly. So this is the paint that we used because we were not doing a custom built, but we wanted it to look custom. So they just used this paint to paint all the areas that are going to go around that dresser that we used.
I will wait for you. So until then, just wait. I'll just wait.
The wall is up in the hallway, and you can see how it looks so much bigger and wider. And here they're just putting down some plywood because they did have to take up a lot of the wood flooring. But again, as I said, we are not about to replace our flooring just yet, but just showing you that they had to do it in my daughter's room as well as in my closet as well. Due to we had to redo half of the wall, we wanted to make sure that the paint matched perfectly. So he's strategically cutting off a thin layer of paint from the wall so that we can take it over and have it matched at either Home Depot or Lowe's. I can't remember which one he went to make sure that it matched, but it ended up working out perfectly. And once he got finished, you can't even see where he ended up ripping it out at. And now we are just painting the hallway, and we are getting ready to wrap up this video. So I will definitely show you guys the reveal for my closet, and not just my daughter's closet, but her whole room, because she is getting a drastic bedroom makeover. So make sure you stay tuned to see those videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to SlimthickCurls. And I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles. Mwah.